Good day, I am Dreljesh Asamaoy, and in this video, I am going to explain the feedback mechanisms in regulating the processes in the female reproductive systems or menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a finely tuned process regulated by both negative and positive feedback loops. During the follicular phase, the developing follicles in the ovaries produce estrogen, which increases as the follicles mature. This rising estrogen level initially provides positive feedback to the hypothalamus and pituitary gland to release more FSH and LH, stimulating further follicular growth. As estrogen levels peak just before ovulation, a surge in LH triggers the release of the egg from the dominant follicle or ovulation. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle forms the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone. The increase in progesterone has a negative feedback effect on the hypothalamus and pituitary, decreasing the secretion of FSH and LH to prevent the development of new follicles during the luteal phase. If pregnancy does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates, progesterone levels fall, and the drop in hormones causes the shedding of the uterine lining or menstruation, signaling the start of a new cycle. This feedback system ensures the proper timing of ovulation and menstruation. Wow. So that's all, guys. That's how the menstrual cycles form, and I hope you learned something from this video.